Okay, in the first assignment 1, we have seen how to create Azure resources using the script, such as we create the Azure DataBricks workspace, and also create Azure Data Lake storage account, and so on. And now we're going to learn how to create similar objects using the graphical user interface through the Azure portal. Okay, so the objective of this assignment 2 is to learn how to upload the dataset, to learn how to upload the notebooks, and also perform the data analysis, creating the machine learning model using the Jupyter notebook, using the notebook that run on the Azure DataBricks services. Okay, so you're going to download a few files like the red wine quality and then white wine quality, and also the flight dataset. I have already prepared all the materials in the themes folder. So we open the themes and then go to the assignment, and then assignment 2 folder. All the files are here. There are 3 CSV and 2 notebook. Okay, so we're going to you can download from this themes, or you can also click the link, but you have to rename the file following the sample. Okay, we're going to create the Azure DataBricks service, and then inside the resource group follow the name conventions provided in this lab instruction. After that, we're going to create a single mode cluster, then give the name cluster underscore your name, and then upload some dataset. Okay, so let's do it in the Azure portal. The first step is to create the Azure DataBricks cluster. Okay, so from the portal we just search DataBricks, or if there is icon available you can click, and then I click the create button to create a new Azure DataBricks workspace. Choose the subscription. Yours is Azure Pass. Okay, and then for the resource group we follow the name conventions RG0322B, your class code, and then followed by your name, Ryan. Okay, and then for the location I will change to the West US, that I know it has enough core for creating the Azure DataBricks services. And then the workspace name, we're going to give the name to the Azure workspace name, DataBricks workspace name. So for the easier maintenance and also easier to remember, just put or create a name everything with lowercase. So you can just put the name, right? Ryan DataBricks workspace 01. Okay, then nothing we need to change or customize. Just click review and then create. So networking, and then advanced tags, we use the default setting. Just click validate. So it will perform the validation. Wait for a while, and then once the validation is completed, then we click the create. Okay, so not long, then the progress page will be refreshed and showing you that the job to create the Azure DataBricks workspace already been submitted to the server, and then the server is doing it now, creating the workspace. So this process will take about 5 minutes to 10 minutes. Please be patient and just wait until it's completed. I already paused the video, so it looks like faster. Okay, click the go to resource. It will open your Azure DataBricks workspace. Then click to launch the workspace. Okay, so it will sign into the DataBricks. If you have logged on earlier, then you don't need to log on again. It will be remember your credential. Okay, so the task that we're going to do is to create a cluster. Yeah, so we just close that customization, click the create cluster. As mentioned in the lab, we're going to create a single node, yeah, to save the core, yeah, to this use only the single virtual machine. Okay, single node, then I change the name following the instruction, Ryan underscore cluster. Okay, then click create cluster. Okay, the job will be sent, and also this will take about 5 to 10 minutes. Yeah, so it looks like very fast because I already paused the process. Okay, the cluster was created already successfully, and then you can see from the properties, yeah, there is a button to start or terminate the cluster, yeah, to save the money. When you don't use, you can terminate. Yeah. Then you can see the link to upload the notebook, to upload the dataset. Yeah. So we're going to continue in the next video about how to upload the data and the notebook.